Guys, already 6:24 na at this moment. Magpapapirma lang kami ng certificate. So guys, finally. So ngayon guys, para sa akin namin bukas, ito yun. Kasi mas, dito guys mga dyan. 5:24 naman. So guys, already 5:10 na at this moment. Ha? So ngayon guys, nag-ayos kami para sa event namin bukas. So nag-dry run kami today. Ayan guys, as you can see. Tapos bukas, dito guys yung mga oceans. Ayan guys. Konting na lang, push. So guys, already 3:54 at this moment. So ngayon guys, papunta kaming faculty. Magpapapirma lang kami ng certificates, tapos yung letters, tapos yun, punta kami faculty guys. So guys, finally, napapirma na namin siya guys. May mga tao pa din sa baba. So pabalik kaming EBR, waiting kami matapos na, tapos mag-dry run na kami.
May plato pa guys, bakit may pagkain na tayo dito ha?
Dito na ako sa kalagay ito para aawit siya. Ay, yung ano? TV?
Baba na kayo, TV.
May wire siya? May wire?
Opo sir.
Ay, kailangan natin ng extension na. Aray.
Tatapag kayo sir.
Ha?
Tatapag.
Oo. Pili mo eh. Hirap mo na wire no? Sabi na sabi ko.
Kaya po sir.
May Derry. Ayun, sabi ni Sir Dan.
Dito kasi. Ate, ito pang picture mo din kasi pang
Oh, sige.
Paano siya yung okay?
Nakita ko sa documentary. Si Marks pag nag-uusap kami na iba-ibang topic. I always love you. Ito na.
Ikaw si Gabi mo. Ikaw nga si Gabi.
Ako si Gabi.
Dapat doon tayo sa may video.
Sige. Ako sa prayers. Ikaw sa prayers.
Good morning, everyone! Welcome aboard sa ating leadership training program. With the team, Leadership. Training with purpose, empowering growth, creativity, and action.
Tama yan! Today, we'll be selling together sa isang corny na puno ng learning, teamwork, at inspiration. Kaya make yourself comfortable with your fellow leader.
Ano ba yan?
Prepare to lead your team with form. Okay lang yan. Please bow our head and feel the presence of our Heavenly Father. Heavenly Father,
Mga 10 minutes before, before mag-start. Magkano kayo ng timer?
dahil mag-ano nga tayo karaoke.
10 minutes before.
Yung iba? Nawala.
Pwede ko i-send yung link sa'yo. Sige, sige.
Lian, i-download mo si
Ate Jan!
Mag-ano na
Bukasan na ba?
8:50, magkatayo na tayo kasi.
Bakto, sir! Ano ba yan? Sir, ayaw nga namin sa
Good morning, everyone.
Ano kayo, sir?
Hoy, Chelsea, practice mo na yung ano mo.
Di pagod.
Diba,
Mga charity.
8:50. Kapag 8:50 na, may timer dyan. I-download mo yung timer, tapos nakaplay dyan.
Sir, kami wala na. Bakit?
Ano ka, sir?
Paano kayo na-download yun?
Oo, ba't po? I-download mo sa phone mo, tapos isave mo sa laptop.
Kaya nga, paano ko i-play dyan? Hindi, sir. Sabi ko yung play natin.
Diba? Diba, ano, ikot-ikot na timer?
Di ba yung timer yung sabi ko?
Wala ba timer dyan sa laptop?
Kasi pinilis na
Timer na ano, nag-waiting na mag-start na. 10 minutes na lang, tapos start na ng program.
grabe naman. Kasi kami yung sinali. Paano ka ngayon?
Siya, sabi niya, ano ako yung away niyo?
Yes, 1 minute kayo. Kung kayo
Good morning, everyone.
Ano bang
Andiyan talaga Philippines ni Chelsea, oh. May lisensya ako.
Kasi kakasa na lang.
Ay, Chelsea, practice mo na.
Ay! Bios! Ilan ang kasi sa Bios?
Bakit ka doon gabi?
10, di ba? 10. Oo! Dalawa sa harap! Dalawa sa harap pag maliit? Dalawa sa harap! 5 sa likod! Oo! Kaya!
Kaya ba yung may sunset? Ano?
O, sa sir!
Doon sa may $100, may pizza doon, di ba?
Ay, Chelsea, ano mo na?
Hindi, sir, pagka magmotor ako bukas, meron akong motor. Yan na lang natin. Fantasy! Fantasy? Fantasy! Kaya nga,
Ay, Chelsea, practice mo na tayo.
magkakahirap sa din yung ano namin, pwede din sa
Tapos maliligo na kayo. no?
Hindi po! Kakain lang yung parang sunset.
Ay, nalian yung ano mo.
Hindi pa, dapat
Ay,
makakain. Ay,
Sir, yung SGM mo po, sir.
hindi na lang.
Parang may use na namin bukas ng event. Uy, mamaya ka na kumasta! Maglagay ka muna. Hindi ako marunong siya ngayon. Kasi makikita. Kristal.
Hello guys, 5:24 na at this moment. So ayan, nagre-ready pa kami para sa event namin bukas. Ayan.
Ay, mag-order ka doon.
Hello.
Lagyan mo na natin.
Yung laptop mo na yung gagamitin sa presentation.
Thank you for gathering us all today at this important event.
Uy, ano ba nagdadala sa
Blessing upon each family. And honor one another with keeping all the time.
Phone na lang.
Namin marinig yung angelic voice.
May we walk
Wait lang, tayo mo lang. Angelic voice, tas tingnan.
Okay, sige.
Ito yung kape mo. Mahaba niya, te. Ha? Mahaba. Okay, so adjust mo, te.
Mas madali.
Hilahin mo yung ano, hilahin mo yung bilog, te. Hilahin mo na lang yung bilog. Yan, hilahin.
ready.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard sa ating leadership training program. With the team, lead leadership. Leading with passions, empowering growth through integrity and passion. Ay, action.
Leading with purpose growth. Dito sa
Sayang ko. Nawala na.
Sa gitna, best mo. Dito,
May ate.
map yung ready.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard sa ating leadership training program. With the team, lead leadership. Leading with purpose. Di ba pa sabi ko, leading with purpose. Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard sa ating leadership training program. With the team, lead leadership. Leading with purpose. Empowering growth through integrity and action.
Sir, pwede bang babawasan yung echo po ng mic?
Sa dulo para...
Sir, may echo yung mic.
May echo? Ano ba ito? Sound proof? Ito ano?
Ano yun, may echo talaga yan eh.
Ay, hindi
Echo
matapos.
daw talaga.
Yeah, ako na siya. Game.
Next.
Ikaw na.
Hindi. Tama yan. Today, we'll be sailing together sa... Sure. Ha?
Na-pressure na.
Tama yan. Today, we'll be sailing together sa isang morning na puno ng learning, teamwork, at inspiration. Kaya naman, make yourselves comfortable, meet your fellow leaders, and prepare for leadership with purpose.
Pero syempre, bago tayo magsimula, gusto namin ituro sa inyo yung special part ng ating program, di ba? Para naman mas energetic at mas buhay na buhay yung morning natin today. Di ba, partner?
Yes, partners. Since ang team natin ay leadership, gusto namin maging part kayo ng crew. So, throughout the program, we'll be using a fun call and response para maramdaman natin na nating lahat na we're on the same ship, working together as one team.
Alright. So, ganito yan. Kapag sinabi namin all on board, ang sasagot niyo is,
Ay, Captain!
ayan. Yan natin malalaman kung gising at motivated pa ba everyone na mag-participate sa ating program, di ba, partner? Sa kaya.
Wala sa script yun.
Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Ang sagot naman ay, Captain. Parang tunay na sailors or leaders na handang sumabak sa kahit anong challenge.
Ayan. Try natin partner yung actual half. Okay. Kapag sinabi natin, all on board, yung sagot niyo ay?
Captain!
Parang wala energy yung mas malakas dyan.
Captain!
Alright, perfect.
That's the energy we want from the future leaders. So throughout the program, kapag narinig nyo yung all on board, make sure na sumagot kayo ng malakas because great leaders always respond with energy and purpose.
Exactly. That's our signal crew. That means we're focused, united, and ready to sail through this leadership journey. Kaya tandaan kapag sinabi, all on board,
Captain! Perfect. You're all officially part of the crew now.
to officially start our voyage, may we all rise for our invocation, followed by the singing of national anthem.
At national anthem.
Okay, yung prayer. Sige tayo.
Whisper truth and listen. Bless everyone present. Also, this room is where each individual members.
Okay na ba i-post ko na yung video, alright?
We ask for listening ears and to use our hands for the betterment
Ay,
of
Jeff, may ano na tayo? Ano ba rin? Countdown?
Kaibigan na
Thank you. You may now take your seats to formally open our event. Let's hear a few words of welcome and encouragement from Miss Marvelyn C. Mamuha. Let's give her a round of applause.
Pag may mga pag may mga...
Podium na, podium.
Kapag yung may mga in-add ako sa script, tas...
Wag mo ko susunod na.
Pwede yung mag-adlib.
Yes, sir.
Ayun na si Marvin.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Jeff and Gabby, for this amazing kickoff. Nakaka-excite kayong kasama sa isang bago ngayong araw. Are you all excited to be here today? Because I definitely am. Welcome aboard to our much-awaited leadership training program with the team Leadership, Leading with Purpose, Empowering Growth through Integrity and Action. Today marks the start of our meaningful voyage, a journey where we will discover what it truly means to lead with our own ship, with purpose and integrity. Leadership isn't just about having a title or giving commands. It is about guiding others towards the right direction, doing what is right even when no one's watching, and taking action that inspires growth and change. Just like a captain steering through the waves, true leaders remain calm in the storm and courageous in the face of challenges. Because leadership is not about control. It is about responsibility, compassion, and vision. May this training will serve as our compass, helping us grow not just as leaders, but as individuals who embody honesty, empathy, and purpose. Today, we will learn together, share ideas, and challenge ourselves to become kind of leaders who empower others and make waves of positive change. So as we begin this journey, I invite everyone to give their best energy, open their minds, and enjoy every moment of learning and connection. And now, let me ask, all on board?
Aye, captains!
That's the spirit. Let us sail together with integrity, courage, and heart. Remember, leadership begins with you, the captain of your own ship. Once again, welcome everyone. Let's make this day empowering, meaningful, and truly unforgettable. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Marvin, for that inspiring message to start our leadership journey.
Around the applause.
Crew, ready na ba kayo?
Hi, captain!
Ganun na yan.
Ayan. Bago tayo pumunta. Ayan, bago tayo pumunta sa main event, let's start with the fun icebreaker. Leadership is teamwork. Kaya let's enjoy this activity na magpapakita ng cooperation at confidence natin.
Let's call on our game master for today, Miss Lian Grace Bernier.
Energy.
What's up? Bakit lang kayo?
May music in between yan, di ba?
Apo, sir.
Seryoso lang ang sinasabi ko, sir.
Ay, ang ganda ng effort.
Send mo sa akin yung mga picture.
Sige po, sir.
Sige, sir. Sino ka ba? Ay, sino? Ano yung pangalan?
So, okay na yan.
Pag inutan ka, may kukuha ko ta.
Guys, already 6:24 na at this moment. Hi! Ayan guys, kakatapos namin mag-prepare and dry run for that. Ayan sir. Nagpa-uwi na pala sir sa mga pagkakataon na to. Sir! Ayan. Pababa na kami ng third floor.
tayo.
Mag?
0.5. Nababaan na.
Ayan guys, pababa na kami ng third floor.
Masungin mo.
Hopefully bukas successful yung event natin. Ayan. Madilim na dito sa aming department for tonight na pala. Ayan guys. So, see you tomorrow.
Ito ay.
Wala ka din po bang pasok dapat?
Ate na tangga.
Good morning everyone! Welcome aboard sa ating leadership training program with the team Leadership, leading with purpose, empowering growth, truth, integrity, and action. We are your hosts for today. I am Jeff Apsayo
surprise sa inyo mamaya. Pwede. Pwede iPad 17 Pro Max Full Paid Ultra.
Grabe naman yan.
Over naman sa ano?
Mama!
Ay.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Jeff and Gab, for that amazing kickoff. Nakaka-excite kayong kasama sa isang barko ngayong araw. Are you all excited to be here today? Because I definitely am. Welcome aboard to our much-awaited training ship.
Hindi na lang yung ginawa.
Welcome aboard to our much-awaited leadership training program with the team leadership.
Kasi ganun na.
Leading with purpose and power growth through intelligence and action. Today marks the start of our meaningful voyage, a journey where we will discover what it truly means to lead our own ship with purpose and integrity. Leadership isn't just about having a title or giving commands. It is about guiding
Ang galaw naman na ito.
Sinabi namin all on board, ang sasagot niyo is